Yo, what's cracking? What's cracking? Just strolling through Rendezvous Beach. Getting some sun, fresh air, everything. Anguilla vibes. Anywhere there's a party, there's Sean Paul playing. So here's Will, guys, manager of Anguilla Great House. Thank you for having me back again.
Oh, my pleasure.
Hopefully we can do it again next year, God spare life.
Oh, definitely. Maybe before then, what the carnival coming up? Anguilla 50-year carnival this year.
All right, getting ready to go. Let me show you my bedroom real quick at Anguilla Great House. You know what I mean? So here's my bedroom. Big up to all the staff and everybody. Will, the manager who treat me good. You know what I mean? Backpack. You don't know we at Anguilla Great House. Big up to Will and all the staff. Here's one of the staff here with me.
Hi, my name is Tiandra and I'm working at Anguilla Great House.
And how you like it so far?
I like it, it's good.
And how long you working here?
A couple months, not long.
Oh, matter of fact, I got a bigger up because I ordered pizza yesterday and she bring it to my door. Thank you very much
You're
for it.
welcome. Big up the white TV.
There you have it, folks. Anguilla Great House. Rendezvous Bay Beach. In the background you can see St. Martin over here. You know what I mean, you know? Them hills and thing is SM, St. Martin. Water's beautiful today, man. Crystal clear, aqua blue. If you haven't been to Anguilla, take a trip ASAP. Alright. Today's my last day here in Anguilla. Later I'm gonna be back in St. Martin. Not trying to get my shoes wet.
Yeah, you don't know. Respect. Scratchy Bama in the flesh.
Gangway record.
You saying DYTV, big up DYTV, you don't know.
So
Get out of SM. SKB represent. Don't know, bad we bad.
check it out, I coming from Moon Splash to Anguilla Great House to my room, and guess who I buck up on? The one and only.
But from you see the face and you hear the voice, it's Dejo. Straight out of sync, it's SK, and you know what I mean? Big up DYT. For sure, for sure, for sure. We got another artist right here. Good.
Yes, I don't know your boy Raskin, straight out of Anguilla.
Ah.
Big up DYTV
You know we
one
connected.
time, man.
We connected like that.
Disconnected.
But